Hi, I'm back. Hi everybody. Naririnig ba ako?
Opo,
Apo.
sir.
Okay, good afternoon. Ganun lang, ganun lang. Pag napuputol, kahit anong subject natin, basta pag napuputol, kapag may oras pa, babalik pa. Pero kapag ubos na yung oras, kunyari, basta laging before time out, kailangan natin mag-allot ng 5 minutes. Kasi nagko-convert yung dina-download yung klase natin. Dina-download, nire-record, kaya ganun. Okay? So, let's proceed. Let's proceed. Okay. So, okay, let's proceed to Mag-share ako ng screen Share screen ako Okay, so um welcome to our ano to? Okay, welcome to our hello. Welcome to our lesson part 2. Okay. So, ano-ano ba yung what are the common virtue ethics or mga karaniwang virtud na we need to apply to business? Okay, number 1, trustworthiness. Okay, pakibasa nga Marian. Marian, Labastida.
Sir,
Trustworthiness. A trusted employee.
a trusted employee are dependable in any circumstance and situation in the workplace, giving 100% performance rating in a job that has been given. Sir, hindi ko po nababasa, sir.
Okay.
Tatanggal po ng error.
Display, ito. Display.
Display passion and sincerity in duties and responsibilities. Usually, these are team player and colleague dependable and trusted partner.
Okay, thank you. Okay, di ba kailangan yung maging dapat mapagkakatiwalaan or trustworthiness. Okay, trustworthiness, you need, yung alam niyo, class may mga bagay kasi. Hindi lang naman sa pera ang pagiging trustworthy. Napapagkatiwalaan ka sa pera. Dapat, you should also be trusted. Mas natin mapapagkatiwalaan ka sa ibang bagay. Sa opisina, tulad ng mga classified information. May mga confidential information about the business. Dapat you should know these things. You should know these things, class, na importante yon na magiging mapagkakatiwalaan ka yung mga records ng mga co-employees mo, records ng mga customers. Dapat, alam mo, hindi yun basta-basta hindi yun basta-basta dapat nalalaman ng ibang tao dahil yun nga, may mga bagay talaga na ibinibigay lang sa mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan, hindi sa lahat. Kaya kung binigyan ka ng pagkakataon, pinagkatiwalaan ka, ingatan mo yung pagtitiwalang binigay sa'yo. Okay? Marian, being respectful. Marian,
Sir,
being respectful.
being respectful is very important virtue a person needs to learn and understand at a very early age in life. In order to get along with or others and work, whether co-workers or member of management, you always treat people with respect, listen to opinions and accept other from whom they are. This makes respect for form mutually.
Oo. Oh, alam niyo naman yun, di ba? Pagiging magalang. You need to be respectful for you to be respected. But there are some circumstances na minsan, i-challenge ka kung ire-respect mo pa rin yung kabilang person. For example, nag-aaway kayo, inaaway ka ng customer nyo, di ba? Binubungangaan ka sa phone. O, anong gagawin mo? Of course, ganun pa rin. Being respectful. Be respectful even if others are not respectful at you. Okay, just be respectful. Accept people for who they are. Kahit member sila ng LGBT community o respetuhin mo sila. O, mataas sila sa iyo, mababa sila sa iyo, yung mga janitor. Kung paano mo igalang yung mga boss mo, dapat ganun din yung paggalang mo sa mga taong kalebel mo o mga taong mas mababa yung trabaho sa iyo. Okay, remember those things. Taking responsibility. Mistakes are, pakibasa nga, sino yung pwedeng magbasa? Sino tayo? Charlene, pakibasa nga.
Taking responsibility.
Charlene, wait lang. Kamusta na si si John Paul?
Bakit ako
Ay,
Hindi ko alam, sir.
oo nga pala. Oo.
Sir.
May nagsabi pala sa akin, wala na pala kayo.
Ikaw, sir,
Tama ba? Okay, taking responsibility. Pero hindi pa siya pumapasok sa akin. Ano bang
Hindi ko-
Anong strand ni John Paul?
ABM.
ABM po.
Hindi siya pumapasok, no? Hindi ko pa siya nakikita. Dahil magdadalawang buwan na tayong nagkaklase. Hindi ko pa siya nakikita. Taking responsibility. Dali.
Taking responsibility. Mistakes are inevitable and it is important one must take responsibility for its actions. This makes you a responsible person in the eyes of your superiors and managers and gives them reason to entrust a more vital workload. This may mean assisting them on a project, being a team leader, or taking on bigger clients. Even though you don't do it for the rewards, displaying virtue ethics at work can help you achieve more than others who don't have your character. At ito,
Ayan, okay. Yung taking responsibility class, alam niyo ba class? Oo, lalo na yung mga may karanasan dyan mag-work, di ba? Dapat mahalaga na marunong kang maging responsable sa lahat ng pinagagagawa mo. Lalo na sa office, mga paperworks, dapat kaya mong panindigan yung mga yun. Dapat tama lagi, iwasan mo yung pagkakamali. Di ba excellence nga? Sino yung pinagkakatiwalaan para ma-promote? Di ba yung mga managers, nagsimula din sila as rank and file employee. But since they have proven na they can be trusted, that they kaya nilang tumanggap ng mas mabibigat na trabaho, they are entrusted with more vital workload. Mas nabibigyan sila ng pagkakataon para mag-shine, di ba? Para mag-shine. Okay? Ano pa? Kung maganda yung ethics mo, work ethics mo, or virtue ethics mo sa trabaho, it will open more doors for you in the future. Maybe you'll get promoted. Diba? You'll get promoted or you'll be given higher salary. Diba nga sa call center, kaya may agent, may team leader, may account manager, may CEO, may COO, ganun. So, taking responsibility is also very important as part of your virtue. Okay, trustworthiness, being respectful, and taking responsibility. Always remember those things. Okay? Stop sharing ako Okay? So, bago tayo magtapos ng ating business ethics, ang sasagutan nyo, long quiz long quiz. Long quiz week number 5, part 1. Tapos next week na yung business ethics part 2. Okay, pakisagutan yung long quiz 001. Okay, sinabihan ko kayo lahat long quiz 001. Okay? Okay, thank you. So, kung wala nang katanungan, Kung wala nang katanungan, okay, kung wala nang katanungan, let's see each other on our next subject. Okay? On our next subject. Please check your LMS regularly. Okay, bye-bye. Good afternoon. Sarah, yung attendance sa Sarah,
Opo.
pakipost na lang sa GC.